beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product, which name is I'm from Licorice Soothing Ampoule. The Licorice Soothing Ampoule has become an essential part of my skincare routine, and its key ingredient, Iksan licorice from South Korea, truly sets it apart. This ampoule's exceptional calming effect has been a game changer for my skin. Enriched with 73% licorice exosome, obtained through the innovative exotraction method, it harnesses nano-sized vesicles with potent anti-inflammatory properties. What sets this ampoule apart is its dedication to addressing skin concerns with finesse. It has been specifically formulated for acne-prone skin, and I can attest to its efficacy. Licorice root extract, comprising a substantial 73% of the formula, is complemented by the hydrating prowess of hyaluronic acid and the skin-nourishing benefits of panthenol. The texture of this ampoule is a delightful surprise. A watery gel that strikes the perfect balance between lightweight and nourishing. It swiftly absorbs into the skin without any residual stickiness. I appreciate the absence of fragrance or essential oils, making it suitable for those with sensitivity or preference for fragrance-free products. I acquired this ampoule from Yes Style, and it has exceeded my expectations. The glass bottle with a dropper adds a touch of luxury to my skincare ritual. At 30 ml, it comes at a reasonable $30, making it an accessible yet effective addition to my skincare collection. What truly stands out is its ability to provide maximum moisture and relief to the deepest layers of the skin. During a period of skin irritation, I found solace in the calming properties of this ampoule. It not only reduced redness, but also contributed to an overall improvement in my skin's resiliency. Having had my eye on this product since its release, I can confidently say it lives up to the hype. Its hydrating and soothing qualities make it a versatile choice for all skin types. Whether you're dealing with irritation, redness, or simply want to enhance your skin's condition, this Licorice Soothing Ampoule deserves a spot in your skincare regimen.